In this video, I want to show you how to change coordinate display formats in ArcGIS Pro. So let's go to ArcGIS Pro. In ArcGIS Pro, I have my data and I have my map. If you look at this status bar, you can see the display of my coordinates showing my current location. And the display format is decimal degree. You can see it here. You can see it. As I'm moving my cursor, you can see the coordinates of each point I find myself being displayed here at the status bar. The current format is decimal degree. If, however, I want to change the format, how do we do it? To do that, you can see a drop down here. Just click on it. It will bring different formats. For instance, if I want to change it to degree, minute, seconds, I'll click on it. Immediately I click on it, you can see the display format has changed to degree, minutes, second. If I still wish to change it, just come back to this drop down icon, click on it and click on any format of your choice. For instance, let's assume I want to go for degree decimal minutes. If I click on it, you can see that it has changed to degree decimal minutes. So any format of display of coordinates you want to choose in ArcGIS Pro, this is the easiest way to get it done. So just click on the drop down here and click on any format of your choice and it will be effected here. So this is how to change the coordinate display format in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.